Lexi, show mommy. Where is the zebra? Where's the zebra? Give to mommy the zebra. Give to mommy the zebra. Zebra. Thank you. How about the lion? Where's the lion, anak? Lion. Give mommy the lion. Where? Lion. Give mommy the lion. There, give it to mommy. Give it to mommy, baby. Where's the lion? Give it to mommy. Thank you, Bunso. How about the dolphin? Where's the dolphin? Is that a dolphin? Give it to mommy. Can I see? Can I see, baby? Where's the dolphin? Wow, dolphin! How about the elephant? Where is the elephant? Find it, darling. Elephant. There you go, sweetie. Give it to mommy. Good job. How about the cow? Where's the cow, anak? The cow says moo. There. Show it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Can I see the cow? Where's the cow, anak? Where's the cow? Wow, is that a cow? Where's Bunso? Thank you. How about the camel? Where is the camel, baby? Thank you, darling. You're so smart. Give it to mommy. Can I see if this is a camel? Camel. How about the raccoon? Where is the raccoon? Where's the raccoon? Where? Saan, baby? Aba, may pasayaw-sayaw pa. Give it to me, mommy, darling. Raccoon. Where's the raccoon? Lexi. Hi, raccoon. Kiss. I'll give it to mommy na, baby. Give it to mommy. Oh, you like the raccoon? Give it to mommy. Let me see if this, kung raccoon nga yan, tingnan ko. There! Where is, how about the bear? Where's the bear? B is for bear. Bear! Is that a bear? Let me see. Show mommy, show mommy. Bear? Let me see, let me check. Bear? There's a bear. How about the duck? Where's the duck? Oh, wow. What does the duck say? Let's see. What does the duck say? Show. Show. Quack, 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 quack. How about the frog? Very good. You're so smart. Is that a frog? The frog says, what does the frog say? Ribbit, ribbit. There. Give it to mommy na. You're so smart. High five. High five, baby. High five. High five. Clap, 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 clap. Clap, clap. Good job. Good job. O, say bye-bye na. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye na. Bye, guys. Good job, baby.